Hello, welcome back on everybody. This is Muhammad Said with you again. So in this video, we're going to be learning about how to import a dataset in Jupyter. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is that we're going to go over to our edge over here, and we're going to type in Kaggle.com. So basically, Kaggle is a website that gives you access to hundreds of thousands of datasets for free. And it's really easy for you to learn machine learning with these because you can access datasets and play with them and put them inside your Jupyter project for free. So first of all, we're going to go over here at the top and you're going to search for video game sales. And you're going to see this one over here. So this is a very popular dataset. As you see over here, it shows you, I'm not sure it says over here, it does. So there are more than 16,500 games, and these are most of the games that there are over here. So it analyzes all of these games, and it gives you what they did. So you have Wii Sports, it was on Wii, the platform was Wii. It was released in the year 2006, and its genre is sports, and you have more information over here. So we're going to click on download. And it says here, what do you want to do with archive.zip? So we're going to open it and we're going to get this over here. So now we're going to need to open our Jupyter. So we're going to go over to our icon on the front, over here, and we're going to search a Jupyter notebook. So it's going to take its time, and it's going to load this. So over here, this is our project, as we said in the last video. So we're going to go over to our Learning AI Python, and this is our code. So over here, we're going to go back, and then we want to add the video game sales over here to our project. So when we want to access them, we don't need to put the whole directory. We just need to put the name of our file. So we're going to click on upload. And then we're going to go over here, archive. This was repeated. We're going to paste it over here. VG sales.csv. So we're going to click on upload. And now you have it over here. So now we're going to click on hello world. And now from here, you can access your VGR sales and you can play with it. So we're going to go over here to our input and we're going to say import pandas. Import pandas as PD. So basically, pandas gives you the access to all of your datasets that you get in Kaggle. So you just go over here and you're going to say import pandas as PD. So now we're going to say df equal pd dot read underscore csv. And now we're going to put inside here, we're going to put the name of our VG sales. So we're going to put brackets over here. And then we're going to go inside and we're going to say VG sales. And then we have this over here, .csv. I think that was the name. And now we're going to put df. So basically now we're going to print it and we're going to inspect our dataset. So run, and you can see it over here. You have all of these games. There are 1,000, 10,600, 5,598. So that's a lot, and 11 columns. So it gives you 11 types of data for every game. So you see over here, it says it gives us a rank, name, platform here, general publisher, sales, Europe sales, GP sales, other sales, and global sales. So we're not going to go over all of the attributes and methods, but we're going to go through some of the most important and basic. So we're going to say df.shape. So basically this over here gives us the shape of our dataset. So we have over 16,000 games and 11 columns. So one more very important thing is df.describe. So we're going to leave this over here. I'm going to show you why we did that. So we're going to say df.describe. describe, and then we're gonna put this over here. Let's get this. Respect. So now we're gonna run it, and as you can see over here, every input has its own output, and this is why we're using Jupyter, because if you're using VS Code, for example, or Python, it's gonna be really difficult and it's gonna be really tedious. So this is much better. It shows you it's very clean and it's very organized. So you're over here, you said df.describe. So basically, df.describe, it gives you basic information about your data set. So it gives us the count of the rank here, any sales. It doesn't give you the name or anything in details, but it just gives you from the outside, it gives you the number of ranks, the number of years, and the number of sales. So that's basically it. But one thing you're going to notice over here, that the number of ranks is more than the number of years. Because here it says 16,598, here it's 16,327. This is because not all of the games that are mentioned in this dataset have a value set to their year, because that's NA. You don't know what that year is when it was created, so that's why it's left unwritten. So in the later videos, we're gonna learn how to clean out those data, how to clean out the data that does not have a year for it. So we're gonna go over here, and one more thing that we're gonna need to learn in this video is df values. So we're gonna say df.values over here, and we're gonna run it, and this is what we get. So this is basically the data about our data set, but not in this type of table. It's just in a really simple way. If you wanna just input it somewhere instead of having to do all of this, it's gonna be really hard to input it. So we're gonna see over here, this bracket, the one on the outside, it represents a whole array from the beginning here to the end. And the one inside over here, that is from the beginning of every array. So as you can see from over here, this is from the first array to the end array. And now this over here, the last one, it represents every line and every piece of data. It represents it on its own. So that's why it's over here on its own. So over here it says, or let's just say df over here so you can see it. Let's see df. Okay. So now as you can see over here, it says number one, it says Wii Sports Wii 3.77. So Wii Sports Wii, and then it skips all of this and it gets to 3.77. So it basically gives you all of the important data at once. And you can see here 8.46 and 8.47 over here. 74. It's all over there. So this basically just gives you the view from the outside, and if you want to input it somewhere. So this is what the code is, and this is what the data set that we got from Kaggle translated it to. So basically it was like this in the beginning, but then Kaggle translated it to and made a real table that looks like this. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. So that's it for this one. See you in the next one. Bye.